Returning now to the tri-state, a Storm Team 44 weather alert tonight is frigid cold temperatures, rain, even snow on tap for the area. And Storm Team 44 meteorologist Gunnar Consell is tracking the system moving in. And Gunnar, just what can we expect?
Well, we can expect some pretty decent accumulations. This may be the most impactful winter storm or winter system that we've seen so far this season, because so far winter has been pretty measly. We have dealt with extreme cold, but not really that much snowfall. So right now we are getting our first real taste of winter out there. So right now what we're seeing is snow mostly north of the Ohio River. We're dealing with some possible sleet and rain out towards the southeast, but right now you can see that all of that snow is happening in the northern half of the tri-state. This is why we have a winter weather advisory for the north half and not the south half. And we already are getting reports that 2 inches of snow have fallen in Fairfield. We're also getting reports that US 41 in northern Gibson County is covered. There is no visible road out there. So right now, let's try to look at some of these camera angles. So right now, we're dealing with a lot of snow out west. So as we look towards our Illinois communities, we're dealing with a lot of heavy snow out towards Carmi, in towards Edwards and Wabash County. Now, what about Evansville, though? We are still yet to see it, but right now, a lot of that snow, if you're just in Vanderburgh County, there's a tale of two worlds right now. No snow in Evansville just yet, but follow US 41 towards the Toyota plant and in Gibson County, you are going to see a drastic change in conditions. So right now, the Evansville metro area, pretty unscathed, but you can see we are very, very close to receiving our first little dusting of snowfall, because USI's campus going to be seeing snow within the next 5, 10, maybe even 30 minutes. Evansville will soon follow. So right now, we're not dealing with all that much snowfall, but here's what we've seen so far. A lot of that heavy rain currently impacting Carmi. We saw that snow over here just moved out of Fairfield, and Fairfield has already seen about 2 inches of snowfall. So we are going to be seeing a little bit more snow than expected in the northern half of the tri-state, but I'm still holding strong on our predictions for the middle and the southern portion of the tri-state. So like I said, the radar image is showing this. We also are seeing totals that are pretty impressive towards the north. But south of the Ohio River, there are no winter weather advisories in effect. That's why mostly the northern half is going to be impacted. That doesn't mean you won't see snow south, but we are expecting less snow, less impactful conditions. So right now, we are still dealing with some of those damp conditions in Evansville, but we aren't seeing snow yet. My big concern is we do see wet roads right now in Evansville. Temperatures are 33 degrees. All we need to do is see temperatures drop 1 more degree, and then we could start to see a lot of that rain on the roads start to freeze over. So black ice is a concern that I think that we'll be dealing with through the rest of the evening. Now, as we progress through the evening, snow will finally arrive in Evansville, I would estimate around 5 p.m., so within the hour or so, and then things will be clearing out by 9. Now, I'm still expecting and holding strong to about 1/2 inch for Evansville, but I've bumped those totals north of I-64 to 2 to 3 inches. Now, as we look into the next 7 days, things are going to be looking much warmer by President's Day. Anything that falls now will be gone by then.